Welcome to this tutorial on how to check the Fifth Third Bank mobile app. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills to effectively use the app. First, ensure you have the Fifth Third Bank mobile app downloaded and installed on your mobile device. If you have not already done so, you can find the app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. To begin, open the Fifth Third Bank mobile app on your mobile device. You will be prompted to log in with your user ID and password. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in online banking by selecting the Enroll option and following the prompts. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard, which provides an overview of your account activity. From here, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and any pending transactions. To check your account balance, select the account you want to view from the account list. This will take you to the account details page, where you can see your current balance, available balance, and any recent transactions. You can also use the mobile app to transfer funds between accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks. To transfer funds, select the transfer option from the menu and follow the prompts to enter the amount and destination. Account. In addition to account management, the Fifth Third Bank mobile app also provides access to mobile deposit, which allows you to deposit checks remotely using your mobile device. To use this feature, select the mobile deposit option from the menu and follow the prompts to take a picture of the check and enter the deposit amount. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to log out of the app when you are finished using it. You can do this by selecting the Logout option from the menu. Best practices for using the Fifth Third Bank mobile app include regularly monitoring your account activity, keeping your login credentials secure, and using the app on a secure internet connection. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Fifth Third Bank mobile app to manage your accounts and stay on top of your finances.